Ever feel completely drained? Like you're running on empty even after a full night's sleep? It's not just you. Millions struggle with low energy every single day. We're told to drink more coffee or push through the exhaustion. But what if there's a better way? What if I tell you there is another level of energy? I mean, not only physical. I'm talking about understanding your real energy. The kind that fuels your focus. The energy that drives your passions. It's more than just feeling awake. It's about feeling truly alive. This video will unlock the truth about energy. You will learn how to use it, and you will not be tired at the end of the day. You'll discover practical, simple strategies. These will change your life. Stick around. It's time to take control of your energy. So, what is this energy we're talking about? It's not some mystical force. It's your capacity to do things, to think, to feel, to move. It is your power source. Think of it like your personal battery. We often think of energy as just physical. Can you run a mile? Can you lift something heavy? That's physical energy. It comes from the food you eat. It comes from the rest you get. But there's also mental energy. This is your focus power. Can you concentrate on a task? Can you solve problems? Mental energy lets you learn. It lets you create. It's your brain power. And finally, there's emotional energy. This is how you feel. Are you happy? Are you calm? Are you excited? Or are you stressed and anxious? Emotional energy impacts everything. It affects your relationships. It colors your view of the world. These three energies are connected. If you're physically tired, your focus suffers. If you're emotionally drained, your body feels heavy. They all work together. It is a perfect system. Think about your day. You use physical energy to walk. You use mental energy to work. You use emotional energy to connect with loved ones. It's a constant flow. Understanding these three types of energy is the first step. It is the first step to mastering it. Now, let's bust some energy myths. You've probably heard a lot of advice. Some of it is just plain wrong. One big myth? That energy drinks are always the answer. Sure, they give you a quick boost, but it's often a fake boost. It's usually just sugar and caffeine. This leads to a crash later. It's like borrowing energy, not creating it. Another myth that you're born with a certain amount of energy, and that's all you get. This isn't true. Your energy levels can change. They change throughout your life. They even change throughout the day. You have more control than you think. Many people believe that rest is the only way to get more energy. Rest is important, of course. Sleep is crucial, but being too inactive can actually lower your energy. Gentle movement is key. So are stimulating activities. Another common mistake, thinking you can power through exhaustion. Ignoring your body's signals is dangerous. It's like driving a car with the engine light on. You need to pay attention. Your body is talking to you. The truth is, energy isn't just about getting more. It's about managing what you have. It's about understanding your own rhythms. It's about making smart choices. It is a dynamic process. Your body produces energy all the time. Food is fuel. Your cells turn that fuel into energy. This process is happening constantly, even when you sleep. But stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep can slow it down. They are like putting bad fuel in your car. The key is to optimize this process. The key is not force your engine. You need to give your body what it needs. You need to give your mind what it needs. Then, energy flows naturally. So, how do you use your energy wisely? Let's get practical. Let's start with physical energy. The foundation is simple. Eat real food. Choose whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Limit processed foods and sugar. These give you sustained energy, not just quick spikes and crashes. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water. Even mild dehydration can make you tired. Carry a water bottle with you. Make it a habit. Next, move your body. You don't need to run marathons. A short walk can make a huge difference. Find an activity you enjoy. Dance, swim, cycle. Just get moving. Sleep is non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Make your bedroom dark and quiet. Now, let's talk about mental energy. This is about focus and concentration. Breaks are essential. Work in short bursts. Then take a few minutes to rest your mind. Stretch, look out the window, or just breathe. Minimize distractions. Turn off notifications. Close unnecessary tabs on your computer. Create a dedicated workspace. A clean space helps a clear mind. Learn to prioritize, focus on the most important tasks first. Don't try to do everything at once. Break large tasks into smaller steps. This makes them less overwhelming. Practice mindfulness. Even 5 minutes of meditation can help. Focus on your breath. This calms your mind, it improves your focus. Finally, emotional energy. This is about managing your feelings. Identify your stressors. What situations drain you? What people drain you? Learn to set boundaries. Practice self-care. Do things that make you happy. Spend time in nature. Listen to music. Read a book. Connect with loved ones. Learn to manage stress. Deep breathing is a powerful tool. Try box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold for 4. Repeat. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good things in your life. Keep a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Remember, these strategies work together. Physical, mental, and emotional energy are connected. Small changes can make a big difference. Experiment to use some of them. Try to find out what is best for you. Now, how do you make this a lasting change? It's about building an energy routine. It's about creating sustainable habits. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Choose 1 or 2 strategies from the previous section. Focus on those for a week. Then add another. Consistency is key. It's better to do a little bit every day, rather than a lot occasionally. Make these practices part of your daily life. Just like brushing your teeth, listen to your body. Pay attention to your energy levels. What makes you feel good? What drains you? Adjust your routine accordingly. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app. Note how you feel each day. This helps you see what's working. It also helps you stay motivated. Don't be afraid to experiment. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Find what works best for you. It's a personal journey. Create a morning routine. This sets the tone for the day. Include some movement, healthy food, and mindfulness. Even 15 minutes can make a difference. Build in regular breaks. Schedule them into your day. Treat them like important appointments. Protect your energy. Plan your week. Look ahead at your schedule. Identify potential energy drains. Prepare for them. Remember, this is a long-term process. There will be good days and bad days. Don't get discouraged, just keep going, be patient. Celebrate the small wins. So, let's recap. Energy is more than just physical. It's mental and emotional too. You can manage your energy. You can improve your energy. You learned about common myths. You discovered practical strategies. You saw how to build a routine. You have some homeworks to do. Remember that big promise, the one that you won't be tired at the end of the day. We are not kidding. It's time to take action. Start today. Pick one small thing you can change, try it for a week, see how you feel. Your energy is your most valuable resource. It's time to start treating it that way. You have the power to feel more alive. You have the power to thrive. Now tell us in the comments, what's the one thing you'll try? We want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on unlocking your full potential. Thanks for watching.